In this next video we will create trajectories based on curves and points imported into Robotics in our previous video. And we will start creating trajectories by clicking Utilities and selecting Curve Follow Project. First of all, make sure correct robot is selected and you have unchecked the box Approach Retract Each Curve, because this is a continuous curve. We don't want our robot to approach and retract in each element. Next, click on Select Curve, and now we can see that the path selection is on, because we have this selection bar on the left side of the Robotics window. We will start with our first shape, that is the line here, and make sure this arrow points upwards. It shows the approach direction. So when these arrows appear here and they are upwards, left click on the shape. Now we get these arrows pointing to the direction we are going to move with robot. If you want to change the direction, you can right click here and select reverse direction. Like this. And then we will move on to our next shape, that is the arc here, and once again the arrows appear here. So left click and the arrows point in correct direction. We are moving onwards with our milling shape. Then let's zoom here, and when the arrow appears upwards, left click. We have these arrows in the wrong direction, they are going the opposite direction, so I need to change the direction for this milling. And this is our last shape, this arc here. Left click, and also I have to reverse the direction. Now we have a continuous path selected here, this oval shape. And after everything is selected, I will click Done. And then we have one more thing to do. We need to click on Access Optimizations and click on Generic Access Optimization. And from here, because this is a big shape, I need to click Move External Axis. And now, after clicking Update, we can do simulation, and as we can see, the robot will move based on the trajectory defined before. Next, we will move on to Point Project. We can do it by clicking Utilities and Point Follow Project. And here I will click Select Points, and after that I will select each point. You can change the order here by clicking in order desired for these points. And after we have selected all our points, I will click Done. And once again I need to click from Access Optimizations, More Options, and put Generic Access Optimizations on and click on Move External Axis and OK. Now after updating, simulation is enabled, so I can click simulate and our robot starts to move to each point. That was it. Next video we will show how to use this information also with our AVR experience. Thank you.